You got this. Okay. Tell him to step away.
Seems like it gets them so nervous they just sit there wait.
Yeah, he should tell him to step away if the judge isn't ready for him. You got this, Jamie.
Real well on the floor too.
Yeah, he did. If he hadn't had that, come on, baby. Get him up there. Get him up there. Good job. Way to go, Jamie. You got this. Nice job, Jamie! Way to go!
That was really good, wasn't it? I mean, the whole thing. I don't know much. This is the first time I've seen that.
Yeah.